English, please.
Well,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are making a video to help you what to do if there's an earthquake. So here's my brother and my sister. They will help me throughout this video. So what can you say?
stay tuned.
How about you?
Bye-bye!
Alright, thank you so much guys. We love you. Stay tuned. What to do during an earthquake? If you are indoors during an earthquake, drop to the ground, take cover by getting under a sturdy table or other piece of furniture. Hold on until the shaking stops. If there isn't a table or desk near you, cover your face and head with your arms and crouch in an inside corner of the building. Stay away from glass windows, outside doors and walls, and anything that could fall, such as lighting fixtures or furniture. Stay in bed if you are there when the earthquake strikes. Hold on and protect your head with a pillow, unless you are under a heavy light fixture that could fall. In that case, move to the nearest safe place. Stay inside until the shaking stops, and it is safe to go outside. Do not exit a building during the shaking. Research has shown that most injuries occur when people inside buildings attempt to move to a different location inside the building or try to leave. Do not use elevators.
No! God, please, no! No!
Beware that the electricity may go out or the sprinkler systems or fire alarms may turn on. If you are in a moving vehicle during an earthquake, stop as quickly as safety permits and stay in the vehicle. Avoid stopping near under buildings, trees, overpasses, and utility wires. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you take note of those tips because it is very important that you take care of yourself too, and you know the need or you know the precautions if that happened. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. Inarutaka.